आप ही ने सिखाया, आपको पता है हमें.
बाप रे.
So I'm going to start with that. You defined love for us in that generation, I remember. And you made love seem so cool. And उस ज़माने का मैं कहूँगी Gen Z था. Because you truly defined how we spoke, how we interacted. But there was an overarching value system in place. And I think that has always defined Suraj Barjatia's love. Is that right?
Yeah, actually, you're true, because uh, I made that film when I was 21 and a half.
Yes.
Maine Pyar Kiya. And at that time, the life that I was leading,
Yeah.
or Salman Bhai was leading, we put it into the film. It was one of the first films where a hero wore jeans
Yes.
throughout. मतलब अदर्स हमेशा white pants
पैंट
होते थे,
पहनते
pants
थे,
होते थे,
बिल्कुल.
boots पहनते थे,
ट्राउजर्स पहना करते
trousers
थे,
पहनते थे.
बिल्कुल.
First time we had a hero wear only just a shirt for the second half full.
Yes.
I remember there was a big discussion on it. And first time so much English was used. But actually मैंने सोचा नहीं था, because the kind of life we led in the
Yes.
80s, so that is what I put into my film. So I never thought that I'm going to break something or something, but I think it is just a combination of the values that we have at Rashtriya, which I grew up with.
Yes.
And it just got in the correct combination. The audience was waiting for it. Maybe I was lucky.
Yeah.
But I think that's
I don't think you were lucky though,
yeah.
sir. You did it again and again and again. I remember Hum Saath Saath Hai. I remember Vivah. You know, I hope you know कि in modern pop culture today, Vivah has a really massive place in the heart of millennials.
Yeah, I'm so surprised.
Unbelievable. But I think it came from a sense of conviction. And I think that's what I'd like to explore today. क्योंकि आज मुझे नहीं पता क्यों I'm missing the love story. And which is why today I'm here, because Sangamarmar, which is going to be streaming on Jio Hotstar, looks like a show that talks about what love या उसकी क्या demands हैं 2026 में. So I want to go back to that and ask you, when you were making these films, was conviction, really at the fore for you as well?
Absolutely. Because very early I realized that the day I have to actually ask others whether this will work for you, or whether this works today, or this is going to be the fashion, then the director in me will be out. So it's a choice I made when I started. I made only 9 films in these 40 years. But that's a choice I made, that I want to make what I
want to make.
Yes. So I never really, except for a film or two, which I've done less, where I've strayed and I've asked what is a trend. But then I decided that no, Suraj, you have to be Suraj, because you have to enjoy the process. And over the years, somehow I really started feeling more responsible, that somewhere we have to show hope, we have to show niceness, we have to show that you can trust each other. And when I saw my children grow up, then all the more I felt, they are thinking differently. Someone needs grounding, that no, tomorrow is going to be nice, you can trust each other. So it's only out of conviction. Otherwise, I would not have dared to make these films.
I'm so glad that you did. And I must say that with Sangamarmar right now, मैंने जब trailer देखा, something really hit me. Because I am also a working woman, right? I'm sitting here, I'm interviewing you. And we're also constantly in the search or the quest of finding the right partner. And someone said the other day saying that love is different and finding a partner is different. Because love you can do with anybody, but partner अलग होता है. उनकी ज़रूरतें अलग होती हैं, वो आपको support, they need to support you. So when I was on my way here to this interview, I started thinking about how you have made your protagonist the middle, of course, this is glorious actor who's here, and she's in the middle of her, कहते हैं ना, एक जद्दोजहद है, जहाँ पर she suddenly has inherited this massive, business that she has to run. And I found that choice so interesting, because suddenly you're looking at the male protagonist and demanding of him to do some growing up. But this is not the first time you've done it, let me tell you that. मैंने प्यार किया आपने यही किया था, क्योंकि सुमन तो सुमन थी. Transformation तो, सलमान के character का हुआ था. And I remember even in a film like Hum Saath Saath Hain, Preeti was a doctor. So you have always had women, and you've understood that they are also going through this crazy metamorphosis. Talk to me about putting or portraying the woman in your stories? How do you approach it?
I take references from all the people I meet, all the
Yes.
women I meet. There are a lot of things of my mother which I put into each of these heroines, characters. And often I think of modern, but everything goes back to tradition, goes back to Indianness. But I think Indianness on screen with grace is lethal.
Sure.
Because how much ever modern we become, but finally an Indian is an Indian.
Sure.
And we should be proud of it.
Sure.
So my characters, women characters, like Salman Bhai often jokes with me that you start narrating to me, it becomes a heroine film. So, I mean, it just because
Yeah.
my films are family and family involves women, and then is Sange Marmar here represents the stone, marble stone, which doesn't age with
Yes.
time,
Yes.
like the Taj.
Yes.
And that's what it represents, the love story of these two people, which doesn't age, and where they are not married, and 25 years of their lives, which they spent together. And like she says in the episode to the hero that in 25 सालों में हमारे रिश्तों पे लगे दाग कितने धोए हैं तुमने.
क्या बात.
So it represents one line that इतना गहरा प्रेम उस पे इतना संयम.
बिल्कुल.
I mean it means that so much of love and yet so much of patience.
Patience. But that's what it is
Yeah,
about,
that's
right?
about right.
But it's so interesting that you've, actually moved forward. I'm so stunned that you're saying that the two of them are not married.
Yeah.
Because I feel like that is also reflective of the time that we live in. तो मेरा पूछना ये है आपसे सूरज जी कि क्या शादी अब एक incidental चीज़ है, मोहब्बत ज़्यादा अहमियत ले रहा है आज? I don't know how, if Suraj Barjate doesn't show me two people who are married, how will I believe in this institution?
Honestly, I'm seeing what is happening in society. It's पहले भी होता था जब हम भी छोटे थे, आज भी है. मोहब्बत बहुत ज़रूरी है. But I would really like people to, through my movies, through these shows, that marriage is a very beautiful institution. And it requires as much capital, as much time that we put into our careers. It requires, because it's a discovery of two people. Someday I really want to make another film over it. Because honestly, so much time goes, we don't talk to each other for one महीना. इधर कोई ऐसे सो रहा है, कोई वैसे सो रहा है.
Correct.
And invariably, finally, you decide no one from outside is going to help you. How many counselors you go to, you have to finally, the one who says sorry first is a hero. So
true.
So I mean, these are little things, but finally, a man and a woman meet each other, and it's so beautiful to bring a child in this world. So I may be talking very fantasy, but over these years at 60, I realized the value.
How beautiful.
So I think that institution is very pure, and we must address it and work on it. We must give it time. हम इस समय ना time नहीं दे रहे.
वही तो.
Time नहीं दे रहे.
और time कहते हैं नहीं, लेकिन the truth is time होता कभी नहीं है. नहीं होता, निकालना पड़ता है.
We feel guilty. For example, when I was young, I used to feel अरे 6 बजे के पहले how can I reach home? But that's not true. You have your right.
Yeah. जाइए ना घर जाइए.
Yeah, जाएंगे तो you have a right. Okay, if you don't want to take work, don't work. But give it time.
Yeah.
So I think this is, one should be guilt-free and work on marriage. And of course, mohabbat is very important, because first and foremost, mohabbat comes out of respect. So unless and until you don't get respect, how does love come in?
Absolutely. So and yet the two are not married, which is very interesting. So that's what I find that is interesting for me. How did you have to deal with that? Was that a given in the script? कि ये शादी नहीं करेंगे?
Yeah, actually this is a story which was one of my favorites of my father. He's no more. So I have a lot of gratitude to Jio Studios, to Jyoti ji, Priyanka ji and Hotstar, to when they approached and they basically asked us for a long format, which was that something which brings television and OTT together. So I was a little taken aback, and this हमको भारत की कहानी चाहिए, and we want it from your point of view. So that was so challenging to start with, and then I narrated this story about a boy and a girl who are about to get married, but she cannot marry because of her responsibilities. And boy says, I will wait. And 25 years of growing up together,
And waiting.
waiting, knowing each other so well, but yet will not marry. And they go through every phase together. They finally end up at 50 with all the blood pressures together, with all the